Hey guys, it's your girl Asia and I'm back with another video. So today's video is a Boxy charm video. So it's a box opening or an opening of the box, and we're gonna just start opening the box. Yeah, so I don't really want to edit that much, so I'm just gonna start opening it right now because I don't want to talk that much, but I don't want to talk that much because I just talk a lot in general. So we're gonna open this jive, and like it was supposed to come tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Ow, Jesus. Which is Tuesday, January 15th, but it's January 14th and it came today. So obviously says, you know, follow on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, hashtag BoxyCharm. Hello, charmers. Comes a little foam. Interesting. I got some liquid lipstick, guys, by who? Ofra. And it's called Miami Fever. Well, let me show you what else is in the box. So the theme is Boxy and Chill. What's in here is a Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Condition Spray, Luminous from Tasha, Luminous Dewy Skin Mask 2-pack, and it's worth $24. And the conditioning spray is worth $12. Long-lasting lipstick, liquid lipstick from Ofra, that's $20. Ofra Chill. Limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 3. That's $36. And a $1 Billion Brow Universal Pencil, $18. So, you know, your girl loves brow pencils. So, yeah. First thing we're going to do is we're going to swatch this. And I want to do one on my hand. I don't think it looks pretty good from far away. Looks like this. And then we're gonna do my lips. So I'm gonna come up close. Move this stuff out the way. It smells good, by the way. Interesting. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some black on this drive because I would never wear a color like this on my lips like that. So as you continue, the palette is like this. It's kind of small, but you know, it's okay. At least it's travel size, you know. It's from Tarte. Oh, and on the inside, it comes with this little makeup thing, like, you know, different looks that you can do. Wow, this is so orange, just like my school colors orange. You know, Blanche Lee Christian Academy. Oh. Okay, cool. It's kind of cute. Jesus. There you go. This is what it looks like. It's real cute. I will do like swatches of it. I think I'm gonna do this pearly color right here at the top. I barely dipped my finger in that color and it looks really nice. Okay, I'm going to do this one right next to it. Oh, these are just shimmer shades. Oh, okay. And they have the colors at the under them. So I did Escape and Treasure. I'm gonna do Jewel, Compass, Rays, Malibu, Heat Wave, and Tiki. Tiki looks like a neutral color, like a full-on neutral color. So that's the only neutral color in there. Anyways, then you have the 2 packs of Tachi face mask. It's basically one of those sheet masks. And you have the little conditioning spray. What is it for your face? Oh, it's for your hair. Cool. So let's see. Okay. Okay. It kind of smells good. Oh. And then your eyebrow stuff. Baby, this is a little bit too light for me. I'm about to give it this away. Or use this for something else. I'll use this bully though. But, guys, this lip gloss is making me look like Nemo. Oh my god, I look like Ronald McDonald. Y'all. Okay, I can't. I gotta take this off. And that's about it. Yeah, that is about it. The lipstick smells good. I just wish it was lip gloss, man. That would have been so much better. But yeah, I want to see if I can do it though, cause like it's good for the lipstick. Wow. Anyways, without further ado, I shall be letting you guys go. Have a nice night. And if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new here, like, comment, and share. And without further ado, I shall be in the next video.